Here's how you use the check answers to check your own work. Number 1, ask for the first 3 common multiples of 12 and 4. 12, 24, and 36. Of course, show your work. Cubed root of 343. Again, show your work. Let's say you get 7 for that answer. And it says the check answers for 1 and 2 is 79. So what I'm going to do is take all 4 of these numbers, 12, 24, 36, and 7, and add those up. Now, I've already added them, but I know that they come out to 79. You need to actually add. Don't just copy this number over to here. And since it matches, 79 matches the 79 over there, that means that my answers for numbers 1 and 2 are probably right, unless you just wrote down some random numbers. And then let's move on and try a different one. We got 4/7 times 3/4. And I notice that these 4s can kind of cross cancel, and I get 3/7. So I'm going to put that answer there. 7 times 2/3 is 14/3, which simplifies to 3 and 2/3. Write that in there. And then 3 and 1/3 divided by 4/9. I got 10/3 divided by 4/9, which is equal to 10/3 times 9/4. I notice that the 10 can become 5, that can become 2, 3, and 1. So I get 15/2, which is equal to 7 and 1/2. So I'm going to put that answer in there. And then for the check answer on these 3, it says for numbers 3 through 5, add the whole numbers and the numerators only. So the numerator for this first one, number 3, is 3. The whole number for number 4 is 3, and the numerator is 2. And then this last one, the whole number is 7, and the numerator is 1. Let's add those together and see what we get. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Wait a minute. The check answer says 17. Oh, no. What did I do wrong? Did you notice what I did wrong? Well, what you have to do at this point, if they don't match, is you have to go back to the problems that the check answers cover and find your mistake. You just keep working at it until you find your mistake. You contact me, you ask your parents, you do something to find your own mistake on this, and you correct it. So you would erase and correct. And I think I see what my mistake is. It's right here. Okay, so 14/3 is not equal to 3 and 2/3. It's equal to 4 and 2/3. So I'd write that in there and then fix my check answer.